Alright everybody, I want you to look close. This is everything you need, I'm pretty sure, to do a real quality cam swap. I'll go over everything. I'm missing head gaskets and my head studs. Those are still in the mail, but I'm going to go ahead and get started. Decided to set up this nice little presentation so it makes it easy to go over everything. So I'll start with the heads. I got Brian Tooley springs and valve seals, and took the heads to a machine shop, asked them to install the springs, clean up the valve seats, and touch mill the deck or the mating surface to make sure it was real flat. So they checked over the head and everything is good. Guides, seals, everything is good. You know, you want to get your valve seats touched up if you're taking your heads off. It's well worth it. Then we got our camshaft here. Elgin makes camshafts for GM, so went through them. This is a Elgin sloppy 1.5. It's like a little bit more aggressive than your basic cam. It's not like a racing cam, or it's not. They have a 1, a 1.5, a 2, and a 3. A 3 is like your all-out racing cam. You're going to have all kinds of extra parts to make them work. A 2 is like your vacuum brakes probably aren't going to work. And this should allow for the vacuum brakes to work and still have a good little chop to it, hopefully. I've heard some cams, and it sounds like this is gonna fit that bill. Important, these are Brian Tooley LS7 lifters. They're Delphi lifters. That is the same manufacturer that makes the stock LS7 lifters. So they should be basically the factory replacements. GM trays, lifter trays, that's important. You don't want to cheap out on those. I got my timing set, timing cover gasket, front main seal, crankshaft bolt, water pump gaskets, and my cam retainer plate, all from Michigan Motorsports. They're a good reputable company, and so can trust you're getting good parts from them. You probably would like to replace your balancer if you're over 100,000 miles, if your original one comes apart, or if it shows any signs of the rubber insulator in them going out, which is that little spot there around. If it shows any signs that it's cracking, you probably want to replace it. So this is $100. The company is Power Bond. Good price, good quality. Upgraded oil pump. This is a high pressure milling pump. It's a 10295 is the part number. My oil pressure when I'd run the car on the track, sometimes after it would get hot at idle, would be like in the low 30s, and I didn't like that. I'd rather it, you know, stay above 40 at idle, even when it was hot. So hopefully that pump will do it for me. Got some products here. Some Lucas Assembly lube. The mineral spirits are for washing the packing grease off of the lifters. Some thread locker and brake cleaner to clean up threads and seal them, and then some 5W30 Dextrose to soak the lifters overnight. If you want to know the cam numbers, it is 575 lift on intake and exhaust, 220, 224 duration, and 113 lobe center angle. But I got some head studs on the way and some head gaskets. And I'm really looking forward to putting this together. If you're anything like me and you got all this stuff, I mean, I'm super excited to put it together. I'm going to shoot a video and try to cover all the important stuff, the torque specs, you know, oil pump alignment, stuff you need to look out for. So please watch my other videos. I'll probably break them down into a few other videos. But yeah, I just know I'm going to be excited. I'm going to be trying to get through this, and hopefully I do a good job covering everything. So please follow along. I appreciate your views, comments. If you got any advice, let me know. And appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.